Good afternoon, everyone. So, dumating na kahapon yung aking diploma from WGU, Western Governors University. Samahan niyo muna akong i-unbox ito before ko siya i-scan para magkaroon ako ng digital copy. According to WGU, kasi hindi sila nag-release ng digital copy. So, it's up to us to scan it na. So, ito siya. There you go. So, ang aking natapos ay Master of Science in Curriculum and Instruction. Yes, another master's degree, this time here in the USA. So, I'm very happy. I'm feeling accomplished. Just an inspiration only. Hope I inspired you in some way or another.